what are the critical questions if you want to assess whether there has been participation? Then some of the questions you have to ask yourself is, participation for who? How? At what is the point of departure for that participation? How much information? Where? Participation is not about putting a newspaper advert and saying, all people of Kirinyaga, come, is a forum. Kirinyaga people are not homogeneous. You have to do your anatomy of that community and see what are the various characteristics that need to be engaged for us to really achieve this objective of inclusion. So again, in participation, you must remember that it is not homogeneous. There's the issue of time. There's the issue of resources. There's the issue of populism as opposed to participation. And this one, Kenyans, we know very well where the boundary comes in between populism and participation. And then, of course, is the issue of capacity in the authorities. We were having a meeting yesterday in Mathare, and we were being told, if a chief convenes a meeting up to date, in Mathare, for example, and a ward administrator convenes a meeting, more people will go to the chief's meeting than the ward administrator's meeting. And part of it is exactly again what Shiro was saying, because the ward administrator will not have maize to give out as alms when there is food shortage, which has been caused by misgovernance. But the ward administrator who is there to address misgovernance and has no food, then is not seen to be attractive. So we have to also see how do we make sure that people who we give authority to convene participation spaces have the authority of convening. Participation, we think, then must be seen as a power issue. And when we're looking at it as a power issue, then we must look at power in its various formulations. Power in terms of power in spaces of invited spaces, there are closed spaces, and there are claimed spaces. Power here is in terms of who invites, who closes, who claims. Most important, and looks, the local urban forums have demonstrated, even in the era of devolution, participation will not serve you well unless you do claimed spaces.